Hi, this is Manuel Montes. I'm the general manager of Micaton, a Spanish company specialized in the development of solutions for DIY. In January of this year, we developed a second campaign in Kickstarter, and we contracted the services of Funded Today after 2 weeks of the beginning. With their support, we was able to get a total amount of more than $100,000, and their contribution was about 40–50% of the total amount. We are really satisfied with the services. We look for new markets, new marketing solutions, and without their support, we will not be able to close this successful campaign. So I recommend carefully to this company, and we say thank you for all their support and for all their efficient services. Thank you so much.